Money. We all use it on a daily basis, but unfortunately most people don't understand what it is, how it's created, and how it's meant to be used. That's because school doesn't teach us much about money. The truth is that money loses value over time, especially during the past few years due to high inflation. We were taught to study hard, work hard, earn money, pay bills, and save for retirement, but there's a lot more going on behind the scenes. The rich don't work hard, they work smart. That's because they understand the concept of money. In this episode, we'll explain the concept of money, the history behind it, and how it's meant to be used. So let's start from the basics. Money, also known as fiat currency, is a medium of exchange. It simplifies trade by providing a convenient and fast way to buy or sell goods and services. Money is a fundamental concept in our world and has a rich history that dates back thousands of years. In ancient times, people relied on the barter system, trading goods and services for what they needed. But searching for someone who was willing to trade something that you need in exchange for something that they want was an inconvenient, slow, and unreliable way of trading. As societies grew, around 2,500 years ago, the first coins were born. Tangible assets like gold, silver, or other valuable commodities began to be used as currency, valued for their scarcity and durability. The value of these items was inherent, and they were used to trade goods and services. Coins could be used to transact with anyone, creating a more efficient and flexible way of trading. Coins provided a standard measure of value that allowed for easy comparison of the prices of different goods and services, enabling people to make informed decisions about spending, saving, and investing. However, coins were heavy and could be easily lost or stolen. Therefore, around 1,300 years ago, a more efficient solution emerged: paper money. Since then, it has played a crucial role in our daily lives, facilitating trade, investment, and economic growth. Fast forward to modern times, and we now have digital fiat currency issued by governments, backed by trust and stability. With the advent of technology, a significant portion of transactions occurs electronically. Bank deposits, credit cards, and digital payment methods represent digital forms of money, making transactions faster and more convenient. It's a fascinating journey that showcases the power of human innovation and cooperation. Money, in all its forms, keeps the world moving. Around 13 years ago, digital currencies like Bitcoin emerged. They are decentralized and built on blockchain technology. Bitcoin offers an alternative to fiat currencies but is primarily used as an investment due to its volatility. In the next few years, a new currency will emerge. It's called CBDC, which stands for Central Bank Digital Currency. This digital currency will give the government complete control over the people who use it. For instance, where and what people can buy or sell, track their spending habits, freeze people's bank account when needed, or prevent them from traveling, and much more. Now, you've probably noticed that the rich are getting richer and the poor are getting poorer lately. That's the dark side of fiat currency. In reality, fiat currency has no intrinsic value but is declared a legal tender by a government. People accept it because they have confidence in the government's stability and ability to maintain its value. However, the problem is that the central bank can create more of it, especially digital fiat currency or CBDC. 80% of all US dollars in existence have been created in just the past 10 years alone, reaching almost $9 trillion in total. This is how it looks. When they do so, it increases the supply of money in circulation, which results in hyperinflation, which we are currently experiencing. As you might be aware, when the supply of anything goes up while the demand stays relatively the same, the value of that particular thing decreases. It's the same for fiat currency. That's why our cost of living is going up faster than we anticipated. On average, inflation ranges between 2 to 4% yearly, meaning your local currency loses 2 to 4% of its value every year, except for the past few years due to high inflation. If you want to understand approximately how much your local currency has lost value over time, simply compare it to gold. In conclusion, money is meant to be traded for goods and services due to its fast and convenient way of transacting. And savings are meant to be invested, especially during economic crises, when the price of assets tends to drop, giving you another opportunity to buy assets at a discount. That's why the rich keep getting richer while the majority of us struggle financially. The rich understand the dark side of fiat currency. That's why they invest in assets like stocks, precious metals, and real estate. Now that you know their secret, you can do the same. It all starts with the right financial education. Wealth is a long-term goal, not a get-rich-quick scheme. The next step is to understand how, when, and what to invest in. We'll make more videos about this topic soon, so please subscribe and turn on the notification bell to earn more knowledge about the financial world. See you in the next video.